You'll never guess what you'll find in Scooby-Doo Where Are You Volumes 2 and 3.
Like I know what we'll find. Ghosts!
Ghosts?
Along with a cluster of clues.
You found a clue, Scooby-Doo.
High-speed chases.
Oh no!
And one big... chicken?
This mystery is really getting mysterious.
Join Scooby-Doo, Shaggy,
Someone mentioned me.
and the rest of the mystery gang in Scooby-Doo Where Are You Volumes 2 and 3.
Like wow.
Each DVD has 4 unbelievable masterpieces of mystery.
Very interesting.
With clues around every corner.
That only happens in movies.
I'll leave it to Daphne to pick the wrong door.
So grab a Scooby snack and get ready for these action-packed DVDs.
Help!
Scooby-Doo Where Are You Volumes 2 and 3. Look for them only on DVD. Also look for these other great Scooby-Doo movies on DVD.
In this war, a danger there is of losing who we are.
The ongoing stalemate in the war has become unacceptable.
The Separatist fleet commanded by General Grievous is headed your way.
Rush not into fights. Long is the war. Only by surviving it will you prevail.
Give it everything you've got!
Subtlety has never been one of your strong points.
Get those fighters off of us!
Your fancy flying is making it difficult.
Hang in there!
Twice the trouble they have become.
Now you fall, as all Jedi must.
And my stars.
We need you, Anakin.
That was impressive.
Lucasfilm is proud to present Star Wars: The Clone Wars. Look for it on DVD. Their galaxy isn't far, far away anymore. The Force will be with you.
That's my master.
Deep in the forest, hidden for decades, a magical village is about to reappear.
Would someone tell me what we're waiting for? I'm missing my beauty sleep.
The Smurfs Volume 1 is parading onto DVD. Join Papa,
This is indeed a grand occasion.
Hefty,
You're all Smurf in the head.
Brainy,
Papa Smurf's gonna be real mad at you.
Smurfette,
Yeah, I'm back.
and all the little blue ones as they outwit Gargamel.
I smell Smurfs.
Step back into Smurf Village with 5 Smurf-tacular cartoons.
Oh, goody Smurf.
Little creatures,
I'm not a mouse. I'm a Smurf.
big adventures.
Smurf for your life!
Look what I found.
The Smurfs Volume 1. Look for it on DVD. Get ready for the event of the year. It's Snoopy's Reunion Deluxe Edition DVD.
I think this is going to be special.
The invitations have been sent, and everyone's on their way to the celebration.
They're here, Big Brother, they're here. Huh? Who's here? Snoopy's brothers and sisters. A whole herd of dogs.
Now, for the first time, your family can celebrate with Snoopy. At a reunion that's bigger and sweeter on an all-new remastered edition DVD.
Welcome home.
Includes an exclusive featurette, Together Again, Peanuts voice cast reunion.
Good grief!
That for the first time reunites the famous voices behind Peanuts.
A boy without a dog is like a day without sunshine.
Then get down and get funky with the special bonus episode, It's Flash Beagle, Charlie Brown. Watch Snoopy, Peppermint Patty, and the whole gang show off their wild side. Get together with friends who will always be a part of your family.
You're my dog now, Snoopy.
Snoopy's Reunion. Look for it on Deluxe Edition DVD.
Scooby,
Search no further. A Pup Named ScoobyDoo, the complete second, third, and fourth seasons on DVD, like for the first time ever.
Oh, boy!
Discover the history behind the mysteries.
Like we're gonna be on TV, Scoob! Yeah!
When you follow the pint-sized pooch with a nose for trouble, as he sniffs out the clues in all 17 hilarious episodes on 2 discs.
When Scooby gets on the trail, there's like no stopping him.
The bad guys don't stand a chance against Scooby and Shaggy.
You did it, Scooby!
I did? Oh, yeah, I did!
Especially when they have Velma.
Chinkies! It's brand new.
Daphne.
There are no such things as monsters.
And Fred on their side.
That's right, so watch your step, mister.
With hours of spine-tingling entertainment.
Zoinks! It's the ghost!
No mystery's too big.
Like hide, Scoob!
No snack is too small.
You did it, Scoob! You like caught the ghost!
For a pup named
Scooby-Dooby-Doo!
A Pup Named ScoobyDoo, the complete second, third, and fourth seasons. Look for it on DVD. Also available, A Pup Named ScoobyDoo, the complete first season.
Look for Tom and Jerry Tales only on DVD. It's your favorite mischievous mouse.
Get me Sir Tom!
And misbehaving cat.
Wow, he's really getting the hang of it.
In 15 all-new cartoons from Tom and Jerry Tales, the new hit TV series that will make you giddy. You'll fall head over heels for some of the funniest episodes ever. This DVD has got more hits than Tom can handle. Look for Tom and Jerry Tales Volume 6 on DVD.
The Wiggles present Dorothy the Dinosaur.
Hi, it's me, Dorothy the Dinosaur. I've got something to share with you. For the first time ever, I've got my very own DVD, Dorothy the Dinosaur's Memory Book. So come and join me and my very special friends, Wags the Dog, Henry the Octopus, Captain Feathersword.
Let's sing! Let's dance! Let's have a party!
And the fairies. We'll visit some of my new friends, including David the singing teacher, Rachel the dance teacher, Jane the dentist, John the grocer, Francis the flower seller, Gortha, a tribal elder, Don the postman, Troy the librarian, and of course, Leo Sayer as the doctor. We'll share our wonderful memories with you of fun we've had, and of course, you'll see even more singing and dancing as we all look through Dorothy the Dinosaur's Memory Book.